Indian American community members are actively participating in political process of America, and New York City Council District 23 Democratic primary is due to take place on June 22nd. One of the candidate, Koshi Thomas, joined us here in the studio, and here are some excerpts from conversation with Koshi. Koshi, I want to thank you for joining us here at ITV studio, and I want you to share your thoughts in District 23 and the upcoming race for New York City Council. There are 4 candidates from Indian American background. How do you see that is likely to play out is one question. And secondly, if either from Indian American background or anyone, if he considers who to vote, why should they look at Koshi Thomas as their preferred candidate?
Right, thank you. That's a real good question. I am in the district. I landed in the district in '93, and I'm still in the district. So all these years, at least for 27 years, I have been part of the district, very active, doing whatever I could and whatever needed. That experience and the knowledge about the district, gives me more opportunity to know the necessity of the district little more better. So, and I have the practical experience when I compare to the other Indian Americans. They actually, I don't think they have lived enough in the district to know, or they have done enough for the district. So my experience in the district is this 27 years, I've been within the community, within the district, and within the area, and I have been active in politics, serving the community, especially with the Democratic Party, because this is actually the primary election is from the Democratic Party process. Okay, so I have been with the Democratic Party process and the community outreach for all these 27 years. So I always say that I have far more experience, and I have done far more organizing. Especially we had brought in the community, the local Americans even into our India Day parade. We actually did that India Day parade as a peace promotion day. We did it as an India Day. We brought the whole neighborhood together, and so we were actually showing the way we live or our culture is. That through that we have got into the community, and we have promoted peace in the area. Apart from that, along with the other elected officials, during this pandemic, I claim myself I have done more than anybody else, any other candidates in the outreach program, especially distributing the PPE and whatever needed. So I have done enough in the district, more than any other candidates there. Thank you.
Wonderful.